Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing the first start on my 7th gen Nissan Maxima, 2011 Nissan Maxima SV with the premium package. And if you've been following the channel, I've been rebuilding this. I brought this from auction. It had front end damage. Driver airbag was blown. Yada yada yada. All that's been fixed. All I gotta replace is the windshield. It's cracked and hood. My headlights will be here on by June 8th, so those will be getting installed, and I need a grill, and then the car is pretty much done. But no further ado, what you're gonna do, if you never had a 7th gen Nissan Maxima, put your foot on the brake, make sure you got the key fob with you, and push the start. So for this video, hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.